Joining us, it can start with an unannounced visit or following a customer complaint. The Erie County Health Department conducts thousands of restaurant inspections every year.
What they uncover in these kitchens is public record, and we've done the work to find out when you visit your favorite restaurant, is it actually dirty dining?
But before you lose your appetite here, there is good news. More than half of Buffalo restaurants had either 1 or 0 violations.
And there are federal rules to ensure kitchens do not fly under the radar. The FDA requires inspections at least every 6 months. Health departments will then do follow-up visits to ensure violations are then fixed.
All of these rules and regulations are designed to keep you safe when dining out.
But as I-Team investigator Sean Mickey discovered, some Buffalo restaurants are serving up more than they promised.
Among the discoveries made in Buffalo restaurants last year by inspectors, rodents in kitchens, both living and dead, rodent droppings, even live cockroaches.
We try to find any potential problems before they get to be an issue where someone's going to get sick.
Greg Jacobs is a senior public health sanitarian for Erie County. He tells me the county's team works diligently to keep you, the customer, safe. Health inspection reports are public record. Sanitarians conduct thousands of inspections each year. An I-Team analysis of Buffalo food safety inspections found more than 50% had 1 or no violations.
I wouldn't tell anybody, oh, stay home, restaurants in Erie County aren't safe, because that's simply not true.
But our analysis also found some establishments received dozens of violations, ranging from minor infractions like no paper towels in a bathroom to more egregious cases like a dead rat found in a kitchen just feet away from food eventually prepared and served to you. I poured over thousands of inspection reports from 2023, and at the top of the list with the most violations, the now closed Senor Tequila Mexican restaurant on Pearl Street, which according to county records was cited 60 times before it closed this past summer. In their reports, county inspectors found rodent droppings, flies, and conditions that led to the risk of foodborne illness. The second worst offender, Panda Kitchen on Tonawanda Street, with 47 violations, including failing to sanitize dishes, mouse droppings, and floors and counters throughout the building soiled. The I-Team also discovering several businesses repeatedly cited. At Hotspot Pizza on Broadway, a live mouse observed in the kitchen by inspectors. At Bacchus Wine Bar on Chippewa, inspectors spotted dead cockroaches throughout the restaurant. And at Aqua on Niagara Street, inspectors found a dead rat in the kitchen and rat droppings throughout the facility. Each of these establishments has since corrected those violations, according to the county. In total, the I-Team discovered 17 food service establishments received 30 or more violations this past year.
If you're following generally good food safety principles and practices, then the inspection, we should welcome the inspectors, and we should open up our doors and our arms and say, absolutely, come take a look at what we're doing. And hopefully we are already doing the right things anyway.
Patrick Guzzle is the Vice President of Food Science at the National Restaurant Association, which represents the interests of hundreds of thousands of restaurants nationwide.
If you think back to when we were in school, it's kind of like trying to cram for an exam. You can't really cram for that exam, right?
The health department says it's trying not to close restaurants when issues are discovered, but instead working with operators to correct any underlying problems. However, 45 businesses were penalized by the county, with some facing fines of up to thousands of dollars.
I really don't want your money. I would rather see an operator take any potential cost that they would pay to us for penalties and put it back into the restaurant.
But still, the county reminds you, the diner, that an inspection is a snapshot in time, not necessarily an indicator of a business's day-to-day performance.
We understand that on a given day, someone can have a bad day.
A bad day that can leave an unappetizing blemish on your public record.
And worth noting, after combing through the data, I found a total of 75 restaurants in Buffalo that had 10 or more violations this past year.